Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Currently, I do have a 25% discount up until December 25th for your first month. So if you want to join the Patreon, cool. All the links are going to be in the bio. We'll go from there. But my target hit. My target hit on the total market cap of crypto. It officially hit, I think, this week, right? Or last week, actually, and then going on to this week at 3.35 trillion, and then 3.5 trillion up here, which is all the targets that I actually have. So we actually hit that. It's a very simple target based off of high of fib so the high to the low, right? And then your fib is the target. So again, my target was 3.35 trillion. You're currently doing that on the monthly and you are rejecting. So, and again, not only rejecting, but you are rejecting off that mid channel and off of a major $3.5 trillion market cap, right? So I am looking for, and again, this target here, I made this like months ago, right? So as of right now, because we are dropping like this, and not only that, you are dropping you're closing a bear candle under the bull open. I am targeting more than likely a 2.5 trillion total market cap on crypto. So you guys can see here, right, on the weekly, you are closing under that bull open. And on the 2-week, more prominent, you are closing that bear candle under the bear open. So as of right now, I am expecting us to drop to like around 2.5 trillion dollar market cap in crypto, or like a 2.5, this bottom of channel right here. And if you're actually doing something crazy like that, right, then there's a really good chance that you could probably just come back down here and bounce back up, or you can keep dropping all the way back down to like $1.3 trillion, right? And again, if we look at Bitcoin, come on, man. And the main reason Bitcoin's dropping is because the Federal Reserve, or Jerome Powell, basically came out and said like, hey, we're not holding any crypto reserves, like, basically, fuck your bags, right? So as of right now, on Bitcoin specifically, I am targeting a 79K, 78K area, which is this mid channel here, right? And if you want to know how to use these channels, then again, join the Patreon. More exactly, right? I'm looking, if this breaks, right, this mid channel breaks, I'm looking for a drop back to the 61,894 area before actually seeing some sort of bounce, right? So really, I'm like 99% sure we're going to 79K. I really don't think that you push up anymore. I think we're going either down to 79K area, then bounce, right? Or you're going to keep dropping from here. But again, can't really assess what's going to happen at this level, right, until we actually get there. But for now, I'm pretty bearish down to like 78K, 79K. And then if we bounce, great, you're probably going to hit this 95K target again, and then you drop again, or you keep pushing, or you actually bounce down lower. But again, if you bounce up here, right, there's a really strong chance that you keep pushing. Again, can't really say nothing until we hit this level first. But as of right now, pretty fucking bearish on crypto overall and Bitcoin overall, right? As well as everything else, right? XRP, I think, probably dropping too, right? More than likely, XRP. Yeah, XRP already hit top of channel here at 2.9. So I definitely would not be surprised if this is the top of XRP. You just completely fucking died down to like a 1.2 or something. And I think I've already said that like in the last XRP TA that I did. But this is what I'm looking for Bitcoin right now, right? I'm looking for my first area of 78, 79K. And then for the actual total market cap of crypto, I think I said like 2.5. Yeah, I'm looking for a $2.5 trillion market cap on crypto, because all of my targets already hit, right? My target was 3.5 trillion. You pushed up a little bit to 3.7. I don't really care about that. 3.5 was my major target. And then now you're actually dumping again. And I do think you're going back to like a $2.5 trillion market cap on crypto. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.